walking through the doors on day one, I instantly felt part of the Toyota family. Hi, my name's Jackson. I'm the Field Service Controller for Toyota Material Handling. I first got started with Toyota Material Handling Australia 11 years ago in 2014 when I was still a student back in high school. So I reached out to Toyota and organised a week of work experience to really get a hands-on feel in the automotive industry and really make sure that a career as a diesel mechanic was the pathway I wanted to take once I finished school. So walking through the doors on day one, I instantly felt part of the Toyota family. After completing my work experience, I instantly knew that diesel mechanic was where I wanted to be as a career, and Toyota was the place I wanted to take that apprenticeship on. So after school, I reached out again to Toyota and had a chat to them in a discussion about potential career opportunities. And in March of 2015, I started my apprenticeship with Toyota, and I've been here for the past 10 years. The best part of your apprenticeship is you get to be flown to our head office in New South Wales, Moorebank, and you get to have a tour around the head office. You get to learn all about Toyota's history, our culture, our vision, and you also get to meet all the other apprentices. Being part of the 2023 Toyota Legends Variety Bash team for the children's charity, where it saw myself and 3 others drive from New South Wales, Bathurst, 4,000 kilometres across outback Australia, all the way up to Uluru in the Northern Territory. And along the way, we got to stop off at some very rural towns and very rural schools, with some schools having only 2 students. So we got to donate them a cheque, which they would be able to use to put towards resources such as computers, playground equipment, toys, pens and paper. So it's rewarding seeing the smiles on their faces when we handed over the donations, and it's priceless to see, and it makes me very proud to be an employee for Toyota. The automotive industry would probably have to be one of the most advanced and important industries that not only keeps Australia moving, but also the entire world. Being an apprentice in the automotive industry also sets an incredibly strong foundation for your career. Doing an apprenticeship in the automotive industry opens up many, many doors and creates many pathways that you can take after. So being an apprentice is not all about turning spanners and getting dirty. It's also about gaining knowledge, gaining skills, and advancing them into your future into different roles. And you can go into sales, marketing, human resources, technical advice, learning and development, where you can pass the skills and knowledge you've gained throughout your career onto a new apprentice, which is very important to keep the automotive industry alive. It's also a internationally recognized qualification where you can take it anywhere in the world, and you can work anywhere in any country and earn while you learn. So it's awesome. Early on in my career, I was given the opportunity to work rural and live away from home and be able to help the TMHA team that were working down there. And working rural and living by myself in a hotel room was hard at times, but it was an opportunity that I'm very grateful I didn't pass up, because it's skills and knowledge that I was able to gain in that time I took into my career and my future with Toyota and into my position as Field Service Controller now. One of the biggest challenges I've had to face in my career at Toyota would definitely be the time I was given the opportunity and promoted into the position of a team leader diesel mechanic. The biggest challenge I faced was gaining the confidence and the trust of the team that I was leading. Being someone who had so little experience in the industry, but very quickly and early on, I was able to gain the trust of the team and the customer as well. And you're going to be faced with many challenges and difficulties throughout that time, and it's just all part of the job. And don't be afraid to get things wrong at times. It's where you learn the best. It's where you gain the skills and you gain the knowledge that you can take into a successful future as a mechanic.